Hello everyone, it's your Excel wizard here today teaching you about the AND function. So the AND function can as always be found in this insert function box, and we select our AND function and hit OK. And the AND function by definition checks whether all arguments are true and returns true if all arguments are true, which is a really fancy way of saying the AND function checks whether this and that are true. So for this example, I will be testing if 1 plus 1 equals 2 and if 2 plus 2 equals 4. And so I'll hit OK, and you will see that this returns true because both 1 plus 1 equals 2 and 2 plus 2 equals 4. So if I were to go in here and even just change one of these, if I change the 2 plus 2 now equals 5, and I hit OK, this returns false because even though 1 plus 1 is still 2, 1 plus 1 equaling 2 and 2 plus 2 equaling 5, that's not true. So this becomes really useful when you have data sets where you want to calculate something, but you don't really want to do it by hand. So in this simple example, I will be testing whether or not week 1 and week 2 are in the positive. And all I got to do that is type in our AND function. And our first AND is going to be whether B1 is greater than 0. And then the second AND, separated by this comma, will be if week 2, so cell B2, is also greater than 0. And so we'll see that that's false because even though week 1 is in the positive, week 2 is not. It's 900 in the red. And so this can be expanded on really however you want. And it's also really powerful when combined with the if function as well. But the if and is a video in the intermediate series. If you want to go check that out, please do. But as far as the and function goes, that's all we've got for today. If you liked the video, please consider leaving a like. And if you like things like this, I have a whole beginner series explaining simple functions like this, and an intermediate and Excel series teaching how those functions kind of take the next step. So as always, thank you for watching.